welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into some fascinating facts about Belgium that you probably didn't know. Now you might think of waffles, chocolate, or maybe even those little blue cartoon fellas, but trust me, there's more to Belgium than you can shake a stick at. So buckle up because we're about to take a whistle-stop tour through the surprising and often hilarious world of Belgian trivia. Oh mon Dieu. Belgium, you see, is a country that likes to keep things interesting. They've got Dutch, they've got French, and just for good measure, they've thrown a bit of German into the mix. And the best part? They've divided the country up based on these languages. Bonjour, guten tag, guten morgen, one latte please, preferably not in a dirty glass. Now let's talk about something everyone loves. Chocolate. Specifically, Belgian chocolate. And where better to find it than Brussels Airport, the world's biggest chocolate selling point? It's enough to make Willy Wonka blush. Right, back to the political intrigue. Did you know that in Belgium the king can actually refuse to sign laws? It's like something out of a fairy tale, but with less magic and more constitutional crisis. Back in 1990, King Baudouin put his foot down and refused to sign a law legalizing abortion. They temporarily declared him unfit to reign. It's like a soap opera with crowns and scepters. Speaking of politics, did you know that Belgium holds the world record for the longest government formation? That's right. Between 2010 and 2011, the good people of Belgium went a whopping 541 days without an official government. Can you imagine the backlog, the unanswered emails? Now, let's talk about something a bit more fun, shall we? Beer! And not just any beer, my friends, we're talking about Belgian beer. So seriously, in fact, that they have a beer academy. And if that wasn't impressive enough, Brussels Delirium Cafe offers over 2,000 types of beer. That's enough to make your head spin faster than a beer bottle in a tornado. But wait, there's more! Belgium is also a haven for comic book lovers. We're talking about the birthplace of iconic characters like the Smurfs and Tintin. It's like walking through a living, breathing graphic novel. Now I know what you're thinking. Graham, what about the fries? Surely they're French. Well, my friends, prepare to have your minds blown wider than a plate of moules frites, because despite the name, French fries were actually invented in Belgium. None of that soggy, limp business you might find elsewhere. We're talking crispy golden perfection, served with a dollop of mayonnaise, because why not? Now, no trip to Belgium would be complete without a visit to Manneken Pis, the famous peeing boy statue in Brussels. He's small, he's brazen, and he's been relieving himself in public for centuries. But here's the kicker, this little fella has a wardrobe that would put Anna Wintour to shame. And if you're looking for something a bit more family-friendly, might I suggest a trip to Mini Europe? This unique park features miniature versions of iconic European landmarks, all meticulously crafted and arranged for your viewing pleasure. Now, let's end our Belgian adventure with a touch of royal intrigue, shall we? Unlike some other monarchies, the Belgian royal family are a rather low-key bunch. They're like the relatable, down-to-earth cousins of the royal family, the ones you wouldn't mind inviting over for a barbecue. So there you have it. 10 surprising facts about Belgium that prove this little country is anything but boring. From its trilingual citizens to its beer-loving culture, Belgium is a country that's full of surprises. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about Belgium, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more interesting facts from around the world.